Hello everyone, in this video we will learn Perplexity Pro features in detail. So let's start. So let's see the Pro feature of Perplexity AI tool one by one. So first, here you can see have a three option. The first is a search, fast answer to everyday questions. The Pro enable 3x more sources with the powerful models and increase the limits also. Okay, for second option, research, deep research, you can do any topic. Here the Pro enable in-depth reports and with the more sources, charts and advanced reasoning also. The third option is a labs. Here the Pro enable turn your ideas into completed talks, slides, dashboards and more. Okay, so this is the way these three option you can use in Pro versions. Okay, and here you can see there is a one option choose a model. Here also limit extent as mentioned here. Also models also added in Pro versions. Okay, and the second is the set sources for the search. Okay, here as same as showing in Pro versions and free versions. And attach file here have a two option, local files and connect files. Okay, in Pro version, add this option connect files, okay, with this Google Drive and Dropbox. Okay. In free version, only the one option is available, local files. Okay. And other is same as in free versions. Okay. So let's see the one more feature of the Perplexity Pro. So I just enter here the prompt. Okay. Want to learn French language. Okay. So I just select this and here you see your AI generated your answer. Okay, so here you can see the all details. Also suggested question also showing the AI. Okay, with this here you can see the Perplexity AI showing the answer in the different tab. Okay, first is the answer, second is the images. Okay, so all images available here. Third is the sources. Okay, so AI generated this all details from these sources. Okay, and step, what is the steps is followed to get this answer. Okay, these are the four tabs available in Perplexity AI. Okay, when you prompt something you get this all details. Okay, and now here I'm going to create the tasks. As you create tasks in the Google Calendar and schedule your tasks and particular day, particular timing, same as here also you can create the tasks in Pro version only. Okay, for that go to the right hand side and click on the three dot and click on the create tasks. And here the one dialog box will one tasks. Instruction as you give to AI, you can edit here also, and after that you can schedule your tasks. Just click on this arrow and select the day when you want to schedule this, and just select the weekly, then select the day and select the timing. After that click on the save and that's it, your task is created. Okay, so this is the way you can create tasks. Also if you want to check this task list those you created okay already, so just go to the your profile and click on this arrow and click on the tasks option, and here you can see your tasks, created tasks here showing. I just created want to learn the French language, the weekly timing also here showing. If you want to edit on it, just click on it. You can delete it and you can edit, and after edit you can save also. Okay, to create more tasks just click on this plus sign and you can create tasks. Okay, and you can describe what you want to automate. Okay, so let's see the one more feature of the Perplexity Pro. So just go to the right hand side and click on this three dot, and here you can see the one more option, the convert to page. Okay, this option is not available in free versions. I just click on convert to page and here you can see your all details in converted in page. Okay, wait for the few seconds, it's writing in process. Okay, so it's done, your page is created. You can see your page is created. You can edit it, you can add something here. Okay, section, you can add the section here. You can just click on the add sections. Okay, and you can check the preview also, and these are the different tab. If you want to check the particular tab you can check it. Okay, and here you can see the one editing option also available, and copy link to sections. Okay, if you want to link the particular section. Okay, only this section, okay, French media. So you can just click on the copy link to sections, and you can the copy section also, only this section contain a copy, okay. And the related question also you can ask and add the section also, okay. And if you want to publish this page, you can easily publish, just click on publish, and here you see your page publish, okay. And here you can see the copy link and the share option also available. You can just copy the link and you can share anyone, okay. So this is a so helpful feature for student also, if you write if you want to read any detail in page. So here I show you all Perplexity Pro feature in Notepad. So here I open my Notepad, and here you see the all features is showing here, okay, in details I mention here. So the first is the Pro search, okay, up to around 300 Pro search per day, in depth with the multiple sources searches you can do in Pro, okay. Access to advanced AI models also, these are the AI models you can access, you can get, and unlimited files and data analyze, upload unlimited PDF, word, CSV images. Then fourth one, AI image generation, generate up to 50 images per day, okay. API credit also received the $5 per month, okay, in credits. Premium support and community, the priority support, okay, intercom, and ad free and faster experience. 8 is the research modes and deep research reports. 9 is the Perplexity labs, up to 50 labs queries, okay. Pro perk, okay, premium partner deals related to travels, wellness, finance. And this is a difference in the free, standard and pro, okay. So per pro search per day, you can see the 5, and here the 300. Advanced AI models not available, it's all availables, okay. File uploads limited 3 day, unlimited here. The image generation as here all mentioned. The pricing offer also I mentioned, okay, you can see. And here the one more bonus tips, Airtel user can currently claim the 1 year free, okay, via the Airtel Thanks app, okay. Those you are the Airtel user, you can get the free Perplexity Pro 1 year, okay. So this is so, this also so helpful, you can get it, okay, if you are using the Airtel cards, okay. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, if you want this notepad details, I will share you in description, okay. Just comment me if you want this file. Thank you so much.